75 common, daily use English sentences. Please sit down. Please sit down. Are you okay? Are you okay? Don't be sad. Don't be sad. I am tired. I am tired. Have some water. Have some water. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Come inside. Come inside. Don't yell. Don't yell. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Stand up. Stand up. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. What happened? What happened? Close the door. Close the door. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Look at this. Look at this. Be quiet. Be quiet. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Don't home. Don't home. Wake up. Wake up. Watch your steps. Watch your steps. Don't cry. Don't cry. Give me that. Give me that. Let's go. Let's go. Please wait. Please wait. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Be careful. Be careful. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Call me later. Call me later. Listen to me. Listen to me. Say something. Say something. It's okay. It's okay. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be late. Don't be late. Slow down. Slow down. Don't move. Don't move. Be nice. Be nice. Let's eat. Let's eat. Look over there. Look over there. Tell me truth. Tell me truth. Stay strong. Stay strong. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Say sorry. Say sorry. Don't lie. Don't lie. Turn around. Turn around. Don't make mess. Don't make mess. Don't disturb. Don't disturb. Don't push. Don't push. Be patient. Be patient. Say thank you. Say thank you. Sing a song. Sing a song. Get some rest. Get some rest. Count to 10. Count to 10. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't stare. Don't stare. Clean your room. Clean your room. Be happy. Be happy. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Don't fight. Don't fight. Keep going. Keep going. Let's run. Let's run. Tie your shoes. Tie your shoes. Don't break it. Don't break it. Don't complain. Don't complain. Go outside. Go outside. Shake hands. Shake hands. Hold the door. Hold the door. Let's dance. Let's dance. Fix your hairs. Fix your hairs. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. Watch this. Watch this. Share with others. Share with others. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Don't waste time. Don't waste time.